Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make shrimp balls. First, gather 1 pound of fresh shrimp, ensuring they are peeled and deveined. Next, prepare 1 egg white, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and your preferred seasonings like a pinch of salt and white pepper. It's crucial to ensure all your ingredients are well chilled before you begin. This simple step helps achieve that perfect bouncy texture we're aiming for in our delicious shrimp balls. Let's get started with the preparation. Now for the preparation. Begin by finely mincing your chilled shrimp, but leave some small pieces intact to give your shrimp balls a delightful texture. Transfer the minced shrimp to a bowl, then add the egg white, cornstarch, and a pinch of salt. Mix everything thoroughly, either by hand or with a spoon, until the mixture becomes noticeably sticky and cohesive. Once combined, gently shape the mixture into uniform balls, aiming for about 1 1/2 inches in diameter. Consistency is key here. With your shrimp balls shaped, it's time to cook them. You have a couple of fantastic options. For a lighter approach, gently boil the shrimp balls in simmering water for just 2 to 3 minutes, or until they float and are cooked through. Alternatively, if you prefer a crispy exterior, deep fry them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Serve your freshly cooked shrimp balls immediately with your favorite dipping sauce, perhaps a sweet chili or soy sauce blend. Enjoy this delightful treat. For the best results, here are a few final tips. Always chill your shrimp mixture for at least 30 minutes before shaping. This helps them hold their form better. Also, lightly oil your hands when shaping the balls to prevent the mixture from sticking. This ensures a smoother, more uniform appearance. And speaking of making things easier, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home. These simple steps will help you create perfect, bouncy shrimp balls every time. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.